Why you got that hump in the back of your head? Shut up. Woosah. Okay, woosah.
You wanna see my what? You had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by YWigs. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her red cup on deck today because I'm still sipping my water. I told y'all already, okay? I got goals. I'm on my water kick, so you know, drink it up for me. Okay, so cheers. Now, before we get into my install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul.
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from YWigs. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This unit does come with a 360 lace that is big head friendly. So for my big head gang, we got one, okay? Now y'all know I love me a kinky texture all day, every day, but this yak yak that's sitting on my hair right now, I ain't mad at her. The unit didn't come with a harsh chemical smell, so I'm here for that. I did spray her down with some dry shampoo, but I did not wash the unit. But I do suggest you wash all your human hair units. As y'all saw in my install, I did go ahead and put some heat to my unit with my hot comb and my flat iron. And I would say I got this unit together in about what, like 15, 20 minutes, 20 minutes max. I took about 5 minutes on my hairline because y'all saw at the pack, the hairline just was not. That joint had me shook, you hear me? I was like, what is this? Y'all saw it out the pack. I just knew it was crooked. I just knew they tried me. Had to do a little shifting. It was a hairline in YWigs, okay? And for the price point, I need the hairline to match, okay? Give me the hairline with the price point. Okay, I appreciate it, thank you. But a little work went a long way. I didn't go in heavy-handed with my tweezers. Now, normally I use these tweezers. However, I got these in a 3-pack from, from Five Below for like $5. And y'all, these are my go-to tweezers now. They are shorter than my normal tweezers, and they just give me more control, I feel like. I can move a lot faster with these joints and get a lot more work done. So if you don't have a good pair of tweezers, I suggest you get those to make sure you can go ahead and touch up your hairline if you need to, okay? Now, if you're not into plucking your units, then this may not be the unit for you, especially if you didn't like that hairline that I showed you out the pack. Depending on where you are on the wig slayage spectrum, this unit may be beginner friendly or maybe a little bit more intermediate, okay? You decide, you decide. Now the lace off the pack was ashy, okay? It was real ashy, so you will need to go in and tint it, whether with your lace spray or your, your bleaching of your knots. Y'all know I don't bleach nothing but my whites, so I went in with my makeup, and that's how I got my lace like this. You can definitely see a small line of demarcation right up in here because I didn't go heavy-handed on that side because, I got my little hang time on that side, okay? So I ain't really worried about that, but for this side right here, she's sitting down pretty nice. But now since I pointed that out, let me go ahead and fix that because now it's gonna bother me. Hold up. I know I got a brush in here somewhere over the rainbow. I keep looking past the daggone thing. So we're seeing what? Right there. Okay, we're seeing a little bit right there. Definitely over there. Because I feel like it was more lace on this side than it was on my right side. Right side, strong side. Who know that movie? Tell me what it is down below. I think I'm gonna watch it tonight. Who gonna watch it with me? Right side, strong side. Come on, Bama. Oh, I love that movie. But yeah, we got her together. Let me take my glasses off so you guys can see the full, the full effect. Now I did say this unit is big head friendly. It does come all the way down onto my ear tabs. However, for my installs now, I like to cut my ear tabs a little bit shorter and bring out my little sideburns here to kind of give me a more natural look for me. Because when you put that lace on your sideburns, if it's not positioned correctly, it will literally like be pulling on the sides of your hair, and we don't want that. Okay, we're trying to keep the edges consecutively, okay, all year round. Now excuse the little humpage that you see right here because I know you see it. I washed my hair and it's back in a little bun because I didn't do my little twist yet, so excuse that. But outside of that, okay, this joint would have been flat. You hear me? Okay, so shh, quiet. Don't call me out, okay, because I know somebody was waiting to call me out. Why you got that hump in the back of your head? Shut up. Y'all know I love y'all, but some of y'all be really trying me. Y'all be waiting for me to snap at y'all. Like, I don't want to do that. Okay, I don't want to do that. This is a positive space. Woosah. Okay, woosah. Okay, so I think I got her pretty much together. I think she's a good look with a little bit of work, and I'm here for that. If the hairline could, hairline a little bit more though, that would be great. Okay, I would give this unit a 10 out of 10, but it's not hairlining out the pack. I'm gonna need to do that out the pack. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to YWigs for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.